Hey folks, Joe from Silchuk Transport. I'm the fleet manager here, and we're going to go over the fuses on a Freightliner new Cascadia. On these, luckily, they're all located on the passenger side. Right inside here, there's a compartment. On the Cascadia, it's located right here behind this panel in front of the passenger seat. It says pull right here, it's the first spot. Give it a little pull around. Take it off. Inside here is the fuse panel. You can pop this thing off, just open it up, give it a little pull up. And again, it's got the fuse diagram with what everything is right down here below. Relays, all that. The most common things I found with the Freightliner that we have to do is the windows will stop working. Again, kind of like the Volvo, you just pull the fuse out, give it 5 seconds or so, put it back in, and it resets the door control module. Freightliner fuse box, it is not numerical. They can be located pretty much anywhere in here. Fuse 17 or 18, which is going to be right here and right here. Now there is an A and a B side to them. Make sure you put it back in the right side. This particular one's located in the B end. So you're just going to pull this fuse out, put it back in, or this fuse out, put it back in, or both, doesn't matter. They're the most common ones. Again, reading lamps aren't working. Check the fuse. That's located in here, F fuse 1. Otherwise, for lighting on these, there's not a fuse. It's all in the single SAM that's located in the dash. It's all internal fuses and relays. Now, pop this back on. You're just gonna put it right up there, pop it on, same there, and give her a close, and voila! And just put your cover on. Make sure these tangs, you line them up correctly with all these grooves. Push it on. Try not to break it, and all is great. So again, the biggest issues that I've seen with the Freightliner side for fuses is the door control modules having to be reset. Which again, they're located right in the fuse box, and here the VPDM fuses 17 and 18. Just pull them out for like 5 seconds or so, reinsert them. 11 times out of 9, they're gonna start to work. Don't know, just does it. Other than that, DCM controls your mirrors, the heated mirror, all that stuff as well. So if that's not working, pull the fuse, put it back in. Besides that, if you have a light out, it's harder to check because you need a computer to read, because it's all internal fuses and relays within the single SAM module in the center of the dash. There is a fuse in there for single SAM power, but that's typically you'd lose everything at that point. So it's got your reading lamps, everything bunk-wise, HVAC, all that's right in there. So if you have an issue, check there. If that's not it, feel free to reach out, and I will let you know what I come up with. All right, thank you. Bye.